Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Renelle. So the video I'm going to be doing today is my Boxy charm from last month, from November, and my Boxy Luxe this month. This will be the last video I put out of these because I have canceled my subscription to Boxy charm for now. There's something on my camera. There's not. Okay. So I figured I would just go ahead and group all of it together and stuff like that to make it easier. I will tell you what's from what and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Please ignore this. I just got off work earlier and I didn't have any makeup on or anything like that. So, you know, I figured y'all have seen me worser. So I figured I would just go ahead and show you what I've got in the Boxy charm and Boxy Luxe. Again, this is going to be for this month. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what I got from this month, Boxy charm, was I had received the brush set from Boxy charm, or in Boxy charm. However, I did not like that. My sister really wanted the brushes, so me and her did make a trade. I gave her the brushes, and I have the Glam Glow Instant Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. I absolutely love Glam Glow. This is very bright yellow, but I absolutely love their stuff. They are bomb. So I don't know how much that was because I didn't actually receive it in my Boxy charm. Okay. And the second thing I received is the Dose of Colors in Cherry, which looks like this. I think I got the little card here somewhere. Yes, I do. Okay. So this is $18, which is about right for it. Okay. Then I also received the, oh, and I just stuck my hand in it again. Okay. So this is the Caprice Dew stuff. It's leaked all over and it's on the back of it and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I should have cleaned it up, but I ain't gonna rag or anything like that. That is $90. And yeah, and I've lost quite a bit of the product already. $90 for this. Okay, and then I received the Lily Lashes Boxy charm in the style CEO. These are $25. Okay, and then I did also receive the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. This palette is $35. Oops. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. Okay, and then the last thing I received was the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer samples. No, which match my skin. So yeah. And that brush set that I got was the 2-piece from Boxy charm. That was also $35. Didn't look like it worth to me, but you know, whatever. Okay, so that's what I got from the Boxy charm in November. And then the Boxy charm Boxy Luxe box, which is December, which the one is that you get every 3 months. I did get the Storybook Cosmetics. No. I mean, I didn't even know that this was a thing, but apparently it is. So this is what it looks like right here. That's the colors. That's all you get. This is the first part of it. Got the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose. Get Briar Rose, Spindle, Talia, Castle, Prince, Grim, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Kiss, Thorn, and Fairies. I mean, I'm not interested in it, to be honest with you. That's not interesting at all to me. However, that is, let's see. $55. It does say that Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Eyeshadow Storybook Palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl eyeshadows. Your cruelty-free, long wear, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. Okay, well, cool. Not for me. Then I have the, I'm not sure exactly what this is called. Let's see. This is called Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not. Sakura shower gel. It says, give your skin the gift of a new beginning with the foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say it. Featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk, it uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky, soft, cleansing foam. Lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap, taking a moment to slow down and renew your energy. Oh, okay, it says, in Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura, I'm sorry, again, I'm butchering, I know, has been celebrated for centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Now this is 6.7 ounces and you do get this for $9.50. That is not bad at all. I cannot wait to use that. Okay. Lip balm. Oh, okay. This is, see, I've not even looked into this box, so I have no idea what I've gotten. I have the QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. It's lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. You can use it on all skin type. Okay, that's cool. You get 0.50 fluid ounces. So, this says it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Cool. How much is this? Oh my God, you are got to be kidding. This is $200. $200, y'all, for this. This is so far above my budget. I've never even heard of this brand, but $200 for something like this? I would just let my lips get, I would get like Botox or something like that before I pay $200 for this. But I mean, if it works, it works. I'm afraid to even touch it for $200. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. And then I have the Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquefied Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Pillow Talk. Woohoo! Pillow Talk. Sorry. Okay. This is cute. This is not what I was expecting, but I like it. I love Too Faced's liquid lip color though, to be honest with you. It smells just like their liquid lipstick. For some reason, I love the smell of their liquid lipstick. It's like, I don't know, it's amazing. It really is. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So this is, I think $21. It says long wearing and innovative ultra matte liquid lipstick with the staying power of a stain and the intense color of a liquid lipstick. $21. Okay. Cannot wait to use that. I still can't get over that being $200. Like, seriously? And the next thing I have is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Water Cream. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so this is afraid to open stuff like that. Okay, so it doesn't have a smell. That's what it looks like. I have a feeling this is going to be one of those big pricey items that I would never buy because I've never heard of the brand. I mean, stuff like this, when it is so far above my budget, y'all, I don't even try. So this is, let's see, Saturday Skin water cream. It says it's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, some kind of acids, like the good kind of acids, not the bad, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and supplements. Okay, this is a little bit more reasonable. This is like 40 bucks. That's not bad, but still, you know, I mean, the packaging I love. It's very pretty. All right, let's see. The next thing that we have received is going to be the M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray for beach hair inspired by grease. Ooh, I could use this. It says this fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous without feeling greasy. Oh, so you can use this for your face and your hair. It says spray massage oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil directly into your palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. For face, spray the oil on your hands and apply to face where needed. So not only is this for your face, your hair, and like your skin and stuff like that. I wonder if it's got smell to it. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. It says it's fragrance number 2. Fragrance beach air inspired by grease. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see this. Okay, so this is, let's see. $36. That's not bad. And you do get quite a big bottle. This is 4 ounces, so that's awesome. Okay, and then we have N Beauty Project Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. Let's see. Okay. Yes, if you hear the TV, I have the dryer going, and I'm watching Family Guy. So sorry if it offends anybody. Not really though. So this says it helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. It filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. I need to bathe in this stuff. is all I can say. So you get 3.4 fluid ounces, which is 100 milliliters. This is going to cost you probably about $32. Yeah. Not like too excited, but you know, whatever. Alrighty, and then we have the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. Just gonna rip the box open because you know, why not? Okay. So it's got mirror packaging and it's already got one of my fingerprints on it. Sorry. So this is what it looks like. Lord, you can see me and the TV in it. Let's go ahead, open it and see what it looks like. Oh, this is quite cute. It's very pretty. This is in the style high confetti. So that's really pretty right there. It doesn't have smell. It says it's $32, which is not bad. I mean, it's pretty, not like the cutest, but whatever. And then I have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Okay, so this is just like a regular face cleanser. You do get 5 ounces of it, and you do, I mean, I like this, but like it's not my favorite. And this is $48. This is a gel cleanser. It is for all skin types, which has it says this gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with acid, A-M-I-N-O acid. I know how to say that word, I just cannot pronounce it. Rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. Awesome, great. This, I'm not even going to add that up because I don't know how much it was. So that is all I've got for my BoxyCharm and my BoxyLux. I'm kind of excited about some of the stuff I got. Again, you know, not the best one that I've had, but very exciting. I just can't wait for it. So I seriously hope, like this is like, seriously. I sincerely hope that you all have liked this video, and I will see you all in my next video. I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope that y'all have a great day.